Fucking got his dog up in the fucking Home Depot. It's the CNI dog.
They might be able to do
Like I go in the liquor store butt naked, I have naked, do that.
go around for free and all the
The dog got to urinate. Uh-oh. Let it go, let it go. You should have let it drop it right there. Let it drop it like it's hot right there. Look, right there.
No, you can't do that. It's so nasty.
You can't do it.
Paper towel. He's like, I'm all done. Hey, hold him real quick.
I ain't holding him.
Hold him real quick. Come on.
Whoa, whoa. What's it smell like, Joe?
Or we can go with the semi-off, which is $11.77.
All right, let me think about that.
There's a garbage can right over there.
Come over. I'm just gonna leave you in the car. So.
I understand. Next time we go outside.
Yeah.
We don't care if you're outside.
Don't go down that aisle.
Don't see anybody else with a dog in here. With a clean ass leash like that.
Mhm. You can get them fresh. Go get them as chain.
Oh, Bob, check this out, dude. Look at the roller.
Power roller.
I know, they sell leashes here?
The one in the next fucking aisle smells like shit.
Not good. I wonder if they sell leashes here.
Come on, Putch.